This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleep 6, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, external shower, leveling jacks, awning, DVD player, slide-out, LP detector, CO detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is 5,857 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City, visit RVUSA.com.